thermodynamics hograbani mamangi class ta thermodynamics ta koina system surrounding haina khaidoi ko system dagi surrounding the heat exchange to ba adagi surrounding the system the heat fission ba so koina thermodynamics haina khangnei and types of thermodynamic system open system closed system open system hairagana system ga surrounding the matter ga energy ga animal exchange to ba okay adagi closed system hairagana matter exchange to ba only energy aba isolated hairagana exchange of energy su yadaba matter su yadaba sige se koina inagre ko adagi makha chathaboina types of system khangrabnina hojek isalo intensive properties haibam lei ko isan biare intensive properties haibadi karino ai hairaki ko the properties of a system which do not depend upon the size which do not depend upon the size of the system size or quantity of matter size or quantity of matter of the system haibako sibu koina intensive properties haina khangnei adudi size ta depend tawdaba properties khara hairagadi karam balai noi ningjango kaunu ko what are the properties hairagadi ahanbada pressure dagi temperature ningjango ko sigi point khara density pressure temperature density okay hai bu khara sin noi ningjango size ta depend tawdaba property khara ni ko and then ani subada extensive property hairagadi karam noi exi let us see extensive properties sina reverse to ni ko sina ke hai ni the properties of a system sidana which do not say ke hai which depend hai ni ko which depends upon the size natraga quantity of matter which depend upon the size or size natraga matter dogi quantity ko or quantity of matter of the system sibu koina extensive property aina kanne so example khara lokotse ko extensive properties ki karam bono masing da depend to busing se mass pu hairo loga thermodynamic process makan tare lai ko ahan boda isothermal ani subada adiabatic ahum subada isobaric then isochoric cyclic process reversible process irreversible process adu targadi aina sida intensive properties extensive properties hai se khangani ko muthat pe aradra screen se vinanta intensive property hai gadi kahena khangnai
sir intensive properties haragana size ta depend tawdaba example pressure temperature density
adagi extensive property hai gadi kaheba
size ta depend tawba duga example veina mass enthalpy work
Hojik thermodynamic processes khari yengnasi ko ahanbada ina lagatoise isothermal hai maming sina takchare isothermal hairagadi kanano temperature kanano constant oidoise hairagadi temperature constant oigadoi ko isothermal process dynamic process in which temperature remains constant, in which thermodynamic process in which kanano constant oidoise temperature remains constant haidi delta t is 0 chakadaba ko remains constant, that is temperature change is negligible oigadaba temperature change is constant adagi anisubada adiabatic hariba maming sing sino yaragadi chimpa putho ko adiabatic process hagadi kai thermodynamic process in which no exchange of heat energy takes place. Heat energy takes place. This is another example. There is no exchange of heat energy between the system and surrounding. Very important point. Then third point, the hydrogen isobaric process. In which pressure remains constant. So pressure is constant. That is delta P. Pressure change is almost negligible. Then Mari Subudha Koina Yingduise. Point number 4. Shidana volume se constant together. Ado aina mukana sang idragasu dotted line see ko. No day moto tamnuko do and taramnuko notebook to da. Azana sang you by fathers do taramadi mark to Pazarani neko. In which carry pressure higher volume high tareko. Volume remains constant high biro. Aduga sida high dushina dv. Cyclic high decay no. What puntaruta was a Hayamuka puntaruta kani ko cyclic ne. Sum khalo cyclic
Water cycle.
Water cycle very good. Aina chatra dang thai na ngang chatra sima class lower class ne class 9 na. What is water cycle? The cycle made from water hai ma. Water cycle ne. Adagi class 11 ki chatra what is nucleic acid and hanga. The acid found in the nucleus is nucleic acid. Cyclic process ki example makan मैम ले रहे सगी thermodynamic process तो कोई ना cyclic process से कमांड define तो गनी when a system undergoes a series of change and comes back to the final state. So this is going to be the definition. So proper definition पे क्या है कहती चलो when a system undergoes a series of changes and returns finally to the initial stage. No displacement the distance ki kena bakangi ko. Cyclic process ni when a system undergoes a series of changes and finally returns to its initial stage. And finally returns to its initial stage. This is called cyclic process. Thermodynamic tadi akoina mana chatpa yaba chacharu amuka horaphamda amuka laagadi cyclic process haina launai ba. Then point number 6 the reversible process haibam lai ko. पृथ्वीदा हाइनै को अमुका हन लाक्प यादब पोट अहुम खक ले हैना कई कई नो खंब्रा मांगन गिब मतम लाइक पाउदब मतम को procrastination matam mangan giba hayeng hayeng hai base si amuka lakte adagi ngangthok ki bawa hai ko yam chection na ngangada bani ko whatever you say if you think it properly. So this is not a reversible process, but I'm talking here about reversible process. So what is a reversible process? Monataro isi hek loibaga kanano mada dak long hair ka doini ngasi ka kita khrage summarize to ro haina ko so noi attentive oi de habise khangma ngamde ba ngangthokpa heitragadi noi munata de haina logani ko the changes which takes place between the system and surrounding can be exactly reverse hoitaragadi akoina reversible process haidu anto konjin yade
Ice,
very good
ice the water.
ice ka water vapor ga sibo koina kahina khangnai physical equilibrium haigre ko aduna thermodynamics tamba matamda equilibrium gi chapter so amuk hapchan be yai kisu kaide aduna chemistry haibe subject sidi topic amu khata khanga yabana ti all the topic fazana master ko thoba adu kana khata nang chemistry 100 out of 100 pangakani ba kahani cannot be exactly reverse hani thokyo same thing equilibrium achieve to budi aroi ko sidadi reversible process tadi equilibrium achieve to be arakani because maning mamang back and forth they can be interchanged. So I have given few thermodynamic process ahan bada isothermal process isothermal hai gana thermodynamic process in which temperature remains constant. Adiabatic process hai gadi heat exchange between the system and the surrounding does not take place. For example, thermos flask the hapa coffee or mase kuina thamba yai isobaric process hai gadi temperature nate pressure remains constant. Then isochoric hai gana volume constant. Cyclic process hai gana system duna ahongba chathaba myam chatharure masaina haibado ngausanaba macha nupa gi wari do ko ahongba chathaba myam chatharure aduga mapa gi mnak lai okay that is called cyclic process haidi mang initial stage la agadi cyclic process ni ko then reversible process haigadi the changes which takes place can be exactly reversed between the system and surrounding. Okay, for example in the equilibrium gi matang da ice ne water vapor ne irreversible haigana system ga surrounding the changes thoki ba sa reverse to ya da ba to moina aging process ko natraga reaction ma hairo ammonium nitrate se decompose ga nitrogen ga ammonia thadure and so on. Kare ngasi kai ta ki extensive process intensive properties thermodynamic process ta kare. So who is going to quickly summarize? Cindy hairo.
Sir, intensive properties are gonna size ka quantity ka change the size ka quantity ka the depend the example pressure temperature aduga extensive properties are gonna size ka quantity ka the depend example mass work etc. aduga thermodynamic processes ki matam isothermal process kana thermodynamic process amada temperature constant over the aduga adiabatic process haragana thermodynamic process amada heat energy exchange tawba yadaba aduga
Very good.
isobaric process haragana pressure na constant over the aduga isochoric process haragana volume constant over cyclic process haragana changes मैम चथरगा अमुका initial stage ta halakpa reversible process haragana system the surrounding ga marakta thokpa changes kaido amuka reverse toba yaba aduga irreversible haragana system ga surrounding ga marakta thokpa changes मैम do amuka reverse toba yaba.
Okay, very good. So keep those points in your mind. Adagine ai point amaga haigi ko set Munataro. Se segi diagram chu ui ko aina uli se universe ni thermodynamic chapter si the universe hai gadi system ga surrounding ki collaborate oina punjana laiba potuni bini ko koina universe hai du se in another words, in simple words, system is a subset of surrounding right, and this universe is a collection of system and surrounding. No is said in relation class 11 maths tambo dumaina ko kare sida aina utoi se hit se hit se koina kamaina denote tawgi hai kanda hit hai base q na denote tawi ko muna taro sigi hit ki value se karam kanda positive hoini hit sina karam kanda negative hoini hai base hai ki ko hit sina positive hoidoi se if heat is transferred from the surrounding to the system. Okay, so surrounding to system. Adagi minus hoidoi system dagi surrounding. Ko surrounding the system da heat pitokraba positive chat kadoi so kudamoina sidagi system dagi surrounding pitok siko system dagi surrounding pitok toini adoi tardi heat se kai ready minus p gadaba yaraba surrounding sina system da heat pisala ba ko surrounding sina system da heat pisala gadi heat ki value se kai gadaba positive gadaba si ko sunga yadre ko ai horen work ne pressure ne volume ne moi hum da labor relation dai taga ka doini hojik noina ka oi de se point se kai no hai gadi system sina surrounding the work of salaba entarba system sina surrounding the work of salaga di minus surrounding the system the work of salaba plus heat exchange ki matang se kaunu plus karam kanda oini surrounding the system da isan matam heat se ko surrounding the system the pithok ki matam da plus system the surrounding the fission matam de kailani minus so icham chamna nangna hit se losalo plus ne nangna pithoga di minus ne nang jina system ne adumaina khanga ga dilai bani ko nangna samak se system ni nangonda gi hit se pithok kitar ga di minus nangonda hit se pishala ga di plus yaraba hit se nangonda pishala ga di plus yare ko nangna pithoga na minus adoi tar ga de sida jigi concept to phajana leiro thermodynamic ki ahan bo lo lak chengai da work energy ki matang da kar hayam ge energy as work kana gi mrak tano exchange to godoi se engsi exchange of energy in the form of work between the system and the surrounding system ko surrounding gi mrak te laigada ba mabani ki relation duni ko when exchange of energy takes place kuda moina piston ama lower se sida let us take for example a piston haidi ki funtino syringe to syringe koina chingthoku matam da edoi volume se expand ta wi ko syringe koina engine matam da volume se handai ko segi syringe ta yawo piston duni koina example in low this just like the piston in your syringe you take this cylindrical tank so the fit of this kaino a frictionless piston movable oidoi ni ko sigu mama le kalo sina initial stage ni adagi mana final stage se la kuma tamda swai di lehla siko let us suppose the piston is moving at this particular point from initial position so this is your piston P and sida change laiba amount of change in dl hai magi distance pressure apply to the this is the pressure and this is going to be your piston hai nate ko piston hai bani adagi sina ke hai deba a what is this a is your area of cross section ideal gas with the ideal gas equation obey to ramani pv equals nrt ita ko ideal gas enclosed in a cylinder sida fit tawdoi se kanano piston ni ko fitted with a weightless weight yaudaba weight se lei di leigani adubu negligible oigadaba ko and adagi friction su yam ka hen lei biadre noina kerom sana matanda magic powder mo sinai ko dumaina yam nuai na friction leitana chalan se weightless and frictionless piston है weight my cross section area क्या नो A ने cross section खंगी को खंग दब याव ब्रो नोम रखसिदा pressure से कना ग माने रे अखोई lower class से खंगे pressure है बसे force by area है बनी को okay सीधा लेबो force से अखोई ना पुथो क्या है गदी pressure into area लानी adagi noi mrakta khangna na bro work done hai se kanagi kamaini e what is work done force into ka have no work done hai se anyone
Displacement.
okay force
into displacement.
very good sida displacement ta wise ke am sange dl sangi ko okay dl sange aina sida minus half maram se ke ginu hai gadi against the work is going to be done against the friction so minus apiro pa dl ani adagi area into length kai tai volume ta bra minus p small length ni na the small volume hapagi ko area into length small volume ni no integration over hai bro class 11 da no physics ta tamgre integration lobu matang da ko ai si the integration to birage sida phangada bisina small work ni because it corresponds to small change in displacement so total work ko kya hai target integrate to biro limit se kanade kana power hapani volume v1 dagi volume v2 power integration lower hen thaje ko okay integration lower ni aduga sig integrals ka differential ka ko matam w la ani adagi minus p se constant ni mapan thang do pigro integration of dx t kai tai integration of dx t x ta bani ko noi home assignment ai thagala ni group ta aduga answer to no bhana ro minus p then v tarni different integration lower hin bono ro ko upper limit hapiro lower limit hapiro v2 minus v1 v2 id kaino final volume minus initial volume se kai tai delta v tai ko delta is na kaino change in volume so this expression is called pressure volume work ai hayeng work done during contraction ki ta ke sida ulisina expansion ni ko sumaina chingthora ka doi ni expansion tomorrow I'm going to talk about work done during contraction so kaono screenshot lahoro mut kidore minus p delta v masigi di sida loisala se home assignment thagala ge changai home assignment to ba kaunu ko okay kare mathangi test ki damak ta muko same saba horo chapter manga koi test to godoi ni ko after the completion of 5 chapters we're going to conduct another test again thank you for joining the class.